Okay, so after you click on Access MyLab Statistics, you're going to be taken here to the actual textbook where you have the course materials, everything that you need to learn statistics in this class. Um, I would like you, first of all, to click on the preface to the students if you didn't watch it in Moodle. This is a video done by the author of the textbook. He explains to you how he set up the course and what's expected of you in this course. And then let me show you. To access your grade, to keep track of your grade, it's right here, student grade book. Let me tell you what StatCrunch here is. This is a statistical software that we're going to be using in this course. You don't need to have a TI-84, although if you want to use a TI-84 in addition, not just to the software, that would be fine. And actually, the author of the book uses the statistical software StatCrunch. He uses the TI-84 and he shows the word by hand without using any technology. What I like you to focus on this class is focus on the use of statistical software. Although in chapter 1 you don't need any technology because it's all mainly definitions and terminologies. You don't worry about student activity workbook. Um, Study plan, you don't have to worry about it. That's something I'm not gonna make available. E-textbook, if you want, this will give you access to the textbook, especially let's say you do after the due date, after after just the homework is past due. If you want to go back and review some materials, you can do it from here, the e-textbook. And actually guys, if I click on this one, there is an app that you can download on your phone, Pearson Plus app, and use the same username and password you used to sign up to the course. You will have access to the textbook from there. Course home, let me show you what's under course home right here. You see, it's a dashboard. It will tell you what's coming up. Like section 1.1 is due on the 19th. You have to finish chapter 1, just on by the due date. As again I said, the preface to the students, what you see here, these are hidden. You won't see them, guys, when you access the course. Now let's get just to the actual course right here. Interactive assignment. Chapter 1, you're going to begin with chapter 1. You're going to click on section 1.1 and you're going to see, guys, there is a guided notebook you can download. And as you watch the videos and take notes, just by reading and interacting with section 1.1 videos and materials, you can take notes and use those notes later to help review for tests. The experience that some students had in the past with taking notes was very positive. They told me that they benefit a great deal from taking those notes, but this is optional. You don't have to do it if you don't want to do it. So what's required of you guys in this class? And section 1.1, you're gonna start right here. Okay, for me, I've been playing with this section, so I'm gonna hit resume, but I'm just gonna take you back to the first thing here. So you're gonna start here. There is a next button that you don't see. It's right at the very bottom, but you can actually scroll through here as well. So this is what you're gonna learn in section 1.1, objective 1. There is a video that you need to watch. And after you watch the video, that's why it's called read and interact. There is a question that you need to answer right there, and it's graded. Even when you watch the video, guys, you get the points. You read text, you get the points. So I'm awarding you for everything you do just as you learn the material. You go to objective 2, and then another video. It's very important. You cannot skip the video. Skip the video, you won't be able to answer the questions because all the explanations are done through the videos. Objective 2, reading. There's another video. Objective 2, another video. Let me just play one.
In this example, we'll examine
It's
the
only 2
process of
minutes.
statistics. Pew Research conducted a poll and
This is the
asked,
other
do you
guy. He
trust
is the
all or most
co-author
of
of
your
the
neighbors?
textbook. And then you do a question right there, multiple choice, and so on and so forth until you finish the section. Once you finish the section, this is what I'm expecting you to do. You're going to do the homework. And actually, you won't be able to go to the homework unless if you score at least 70% on the interactive assignment. But remember, your goal should not be 70%, it should be 100%. And then you can go to the section homework. The section 1.1 homework is like a series of questions without videos, without text, but with help me solve this. Let me show you. Click on it. It's giving me a warning. I'm going to say continue. Because it's telling me I didn't finish the 1.1 interactive assignment. Okay. It's not allowing me because it's telling me I didn't receive a score of 70% on the interactive assignment. So I'm gonna go to it from another way. Here you go, guys. This is the homework. Again, it's multiple choice. For multiple choice question, you might have only 1 or 2 attempts on the question, but for free response, you will have unlimited attempts. Now, guys, if you need help, you don't see this. Let me see if I can show you the links, just to. Here you go. Watch, guys. Let's say you have no clue on what to do with this. You can view an example similar to this one. Click right here and we'll show you exact similar example. Or you can say, help me solve this, and it will walk you through the steps. Continue, and then it will walk you step by step and explain to you how to do the question. Or you can do a view an example. It will show you a very similar example, just to this one. Or get more help. Ask your instructor. This should be your last resource, guys. If you give up, you have no idea how to do it, you can contact me and I can support you. Some other help aids will be to watch a video, similar to that. But probably here it's not an option. That's why it didn't show you this option. So make sure to use just the help if you need it. And then once you can, if you as I said, if it is a free response, you have unlimited attempts. There you go. Get more help. View an example and help me solve this. It will walk you through the steps. And I think for help me solve this, it might ask you not just to do a similar example after you complete this one. And look, guys, once you complete 1.1, you're going to go and do 1.2 and then 1.2 homework, 1.3 interactive assignment, 1.3 homework. And once you finish, just the homework and interactive assignments, you will take a chapter 1 quiz. For each quiz, I'm giving you 3 attempts on the quiz. So if you're not happy with your score on the first attempt, feel free to take a second or a third attempt as long as you do it before the due date. And the grade book will consider only the highest score. Now I'm just gonna show you in chapter 5 there is no interactive assignment and then homework assignment for the section. I combine both, just 5.1 interact and read and the homework assignments together. So you just do one, you click on 5.1 interactive and read assignment, just do that one. And so on until you finish. You can see 6.1 there's only 6.1 interactive reading and homework assignments combined together. So that's what I did. I did that also for chapter 7. I did it for 8. But 9, we're back. 9.1 interactive, 9.1 reading assignment, and so on, homework, and so on and so forth. Okay. And after the end of each chapter, this is what you're going to have to do, guys. You need to go back to Moodle and submit, a response in the week 1 forum pertaining to chapter 1. So your grade is going to be based on doing this homework and taking the quizzes and participating in the forums, doing a project toward the end of the semester, and taking 3 monthly exams and 1 final exam in the course. 2 of the exams, guys, are going to be administered online. So I want to make the video short, so I'm going to stop here. It's 10-minute video, and feel free to let me know if you have any questions. And I'll be with you guys. This week you're gonna hear a lot from me, just to make sure that I know the first week could be very hectic and it's difficult to get adjusted, but I will support you.